Hello and welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create this beautiful wallpaper gradient mesh, and when you place it, when you send it to your phone and place it as your background wallpaper, it looks like this. And the great thing about this lesson is that you can create any number of elements. You can really customize it the way you want, and you can use for this Figma, which is easy to get program. And let's get started. Let's create a frame. We pick up a frame here in the main menu, and here we have some options. Let's pick up this one, number one, iPhone 14, 15 Pro Max, and we need a pen tool in the beginning. Let's just create 4 separate shapes. Before we start, let's make sure that we have this clip content tick box on. Okay, so let's create 4 shapes. Shape number 1, another shape here. Done. Now another shape here. Done. And the last one somewhere around here. You can create any composition you wish, any number of shapes you wish. I'm just showing the principle here. Now I can select all these shapes and exclude strokes. We don't need strokes, and I'm going to fill and change here color to this one. Now I would like to place all these shapes inside the frame. I select them all, then Command or Control X to cut, then I select the frame and Command or Control V to paste inside the frame. Now I have clipped elements. Now, if I double click on any shape, I can change its form easily. And great. And let's now change colors of each, change the color of each shape to pretty much any color we wish. But I personally recommend you to have black or dark background on your phone, because in this case it contrasts well with your phone's up icons. And this one I would like to make blue. This one can stay red. This one I'd like to have it purple. And this one can be something between blue and green, like this. And now I'm changing the fill color here to black. Great. And now let's select all these shapes and let's go to this effects panel. Now instead of drop shadow, I'm selecting layer blur. And you already can see that these guys are blurred a little bit, but we would like to change it up to 100 or something like this. Something around 100. Even more, we can put like 150 or 125. Great. And now we have this nice gradient here. The rest we can just change a little bit the composition as we wish. These two shapes work better together, and these two have nice also combination. That's why I would like to keep them here. Yeah, like this. Okay, got it. Okay, now I can export this frame, this image. I can rename it to, okay, like my phone, for example. My phone, my phone's wallpaper number 1. And all I have to do is click here. I pick up JPEG 1x. If you pick up 2x, it means that the image will be 2 times bigger. For me, I think the quality is fine. And now I just click export my phone's wallpaper 1. Actually, I have to pick up this desktop. Okay, here, save, and let's see the result. Okay, the result is here. Wonderful, wonderful. Now I can send this image to my phone. Personally, I do it with email, but you can use any solution. Thank you very much, guys, for watching, and good luck.